Welcome to the Tissot revelation that proved Swiss watches don't require astronomical prices to deliver genuine excellence and reliability. These 10 timepieces showcase why smart collectors switch to Tissot's value proposition after realizing luxury brands overcharge for identical capabilities. Tissot combines Swiss watchmaking heritage with manufacturing efficiency that eliminates wasteful pricing structures that plague prestigious competitors. Each watch on this list delivers chronometer-level quality, innovative features, and finishing that makes watches costing triple the price look overpriced. Get ready to discover why Tissot became the secret weapon for collectors who refuse paying brand premiums for actual watch quality. Number 10. Tissot T-Race Chronograph. The Tissot T-Race Chronograph combines sports watch functionality with Swiss precision at prices that make luxury chronographs seem absurdly overpriced. This watch features a robust quartz chronograph movement, delivering precise timing for racing, sports, and professional timing applications everywhere. The 100-meter water resistance handles swimming and daily water exposure, while the unidirectional rotating bezel adds functionality for timing intervals. The bold 42mm case size provides substantial wrist presence without feeling bulky or overwhelming on average wrist sizes. The tachymeter bezel calculates speed directly from elapsed time, making this watch practical for actual racing applications beyond just looking sporty. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal maintains pristine appearance through years of daily wear and inevitable impacts. Tissot's manufacturing excellence ensures this affordable chronograph delivers reliability and accuracy, matching expensive alternatives costing significantly more money. The T-Race proves Swiss brands can deliver legitimate sports watch capability without requiring luxury pricing that inflates costs unnecessarily. Smart buyers recognize this chronograph as eliminating the need for expensive luxury sports watches through pure value delivery. Number 9. Tissot PR 100 Classic. The Tissot PR 100 Classic demonstrates that Swiss dress watches don't require precious metals or extreme complexity to deliver genuine elegance and sophistication. This beautifully proportioned dress watch features traditional aesthetics with applied indices, creating a refined appearance suitable for business meetings and formal events. The quartz movement ensures accuracy while eliminating the maintenance requirements that make mechanical watches inconvenient for daily dress watch use. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating provides excellent clarity while protecting the dial from scratches and impacts during regular wear. The 40mm case size works perfectly for dress watches, allowing comfortable wear under shirt cuffs while maintaining substantial wrist presence. The stainless steel construction provides durability essential for professional environments where watches face regular wear and potential impacts. Tissot's Swiss quality control ensures this affordable dress watch delivers reliability that luxury brands take for granted as standard practice. The PR100 proves that Swiss elegance comes from proportions and finishing rather than unnecessarily high pricing that luxury brands impose. This watch demonstrates that dress watch excellence remains accessible through Tissot's efficient manufacturing and intelligent pricing strategy. Number 8. Tissot C-Star 1000 Automatic. The Tissot C-Star 1000 delivers impressive water resistance and mechanical reliability that makes luxury automatic dive watches seem overpriced and unnecessary. This automatic watch features 1,000-meter water resistance, exceeding most luxury dive watches while costing a fraction of comparable prices. The automatic movement provides mechanical connection that quartz watches simply cannot deliver regardless of price paid for timepieces. The exhibition caseback showcases the decorated movement, allowing appreciation of the mechanical craftsmanship that defines watch collecting authenticity. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures excellent visibility in dark underwater environments, crucial during actual diving operations. The unidirectional rotating bezel features raised markers preventing accidental adjustment during active diving in challenging water conditions worldwide. Tissot's manufacturing precision ensures this affordable automatic dive watch delivers chronometer-level accuracy, rivaling expensive Swiss alternatives. The C-Star 1000 proves that deep water capability doesn't require luxury pricing when Swiss precision and engineering solve technical challenges effectively. This watch eliminated excuses for purchasing luxury automatic dive watches through pure capability and value delivery that cannot be matched. Number 7. Tissot Carson Automatic. The Tissot Carson Automatic brings mechanical watchmaking elegance to the dress watch category at prices that make mechanical alternatives seem extravagant. This beautifully proportioned watch features a classic rectangular case design that works perfectly for formal occasions and business environments equally. The automatic movement visible through the exhibition caseback showcases traditional craftsmanship with hand-finishing details that reveal genuine watchmaking skill. The sapphire crystal protects the dial while providing exceptional clarity that ensures perfect visibility at all times during daily wear. The applied indices and Dauphine hands create refined aesthetics that maintain timeless appeal regardless of changing fashion trends throughout decades. The 33.5mm case size makes this Carson perfect for those preferring traditional proportions or those with smaller wrists desiring elegant simplicity. Tissot's commitment to finishing quality ensures this mechanical watch delivers aesthetics usually reserved for significantly more expensive pieces. The Carson proves that affordable mechanical watches deliver authentic watchmaking connection without requiring luxury brand prestige or excessive pricing. This dress watch eliminated the excuse for luxury mechanical prices by demonstrating that skill and efficiency matter far more than brand heritage. Number 6. Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 combines mechanical sophistication with modern convenience at prices that shame luxury alternatives costing triple the amount. This watch features Tissot's Powermatic 80 automatic movement, boasting impressive 80-hour power reserve, allowing extended wear without winding. The mechanical movement provides authentic watchmaking experience, while the extended power reserve eliminates the inconvenience typical mechanical watches demand. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating provides excellent visibility while protecting the dial from scratches and impacts throughout daily wear. The 40mm case size works perfectly for dress watches, balancing substantial presence with undershirt cuff wearability that professionals appreciate. The date window integrates naturally into the dial layout, maintaining aesthetic balance while providing practical functionality for daily schedule organization. Tissot's finishing quality on this affordable mechanical watch rivals luxury pieces, costing significantly more money for comparable execution. The Gentleman Powermatic proves that mechanical sophistication doesn't require luxury pricing when Swiss engineering and manufacturing efficiency deliver results. This watch eliminated excuses for purchasing luxury mechanical dress watches through pure capability and value that cannot be rationally challenged. Number 5. Tissot T-Classic PRX Quartz. The Tissot T-Classic PRX Quartz revived the vintage PRX design with modern materials, proving that vintage-inspired watches don't require luxury pricing. This watch combines sapphire crystal construction with bracelet elements, creating a sophisticated aesthetic that photographs beautifully everywhere. The quartz movement ensures accuracy, while the titanium construction provides lightweight comfort combined with exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The integrated bracelet flows seamlessly from case, creating unified design that elevates this watch beyond typical dress watch categories. The sapphire elements throughout the case construction create visual interest while demonstrating Tissot's commitment to using premium materials throughout. The anti-reflective crystal coating ensures excellent visibility while protecting the dial from scratches and impacts during daily wear activities. Tissot's design excellence transformed the classic PRX into a contemporary piece appealing to collectors appreciating vintage aesthetics with modern materials. The PRX proves that design innovation and material excellence don't require luxury pricing when executed through efficient Swiss manufacturing. This watch demonstrates that sapphire construction can be accessible rather than exclusive to ultra-luxury brands maintaining elitist pricing policies. Number 4. Tissot Seastar Professional Diver. The Tissot Seastar Professional Diver delivers serious diving specifications with automatic movement excellence, making luxury dive watches seem financially questionable. This ISO-certified dive watch features 300-meter water resistance and screw-down crown, ensuring reliable performance during professional diving operations and extended underwater work. The automatic movement provides mechanical connection, while the exhibition caseback showcases finishing quality, usually associated with significantly more expensive pieces. The unidirectional rotating bezel with raised minute markers allows precise dive time tracking, crucial for monitoring bottom time and safety obligations. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating provides exceptional clarity, ensuring visibility in dark underwater environments where safety depends on quick timekeeping. The stainless steel construction resists corrosion from saltwater exposure that destroys lesser watches and compromises reliability during challenging diving operations. Tissot's manufacturing precision ensures this professional dive watch delivers the accuracy and reliability that professional divers depend upon for their safety. The Seastar Professional proves that diving specifications don't require luxury pricing when Swiss engineering and precision solve technical challenges effectively. This watch eliminated excuses for purchasing luxury professional dive watches through capability delivery that cannot be rationally questioned by experienced divers. Number 3. Tissot Ballad Chronograph. The Tissot Ballad Chronograph brings vintage chronograph aesthetics with modern automatic movement technology at prices that challenge luxury chronographs. This beautiful chronograph features panda dial layout with sub-dial arrangement reminiscent of vintage racing chronographs from watchmaking's golden era. The automatic movement powers the chronograph without battery concerns, while the exhibition caseback showcases finishing details, revealing genuine craftsmanship investment. The sapphire crystal protects the complex dial while providing exceptional clarity, ensuring all information remains quickly accessible at a glance. The tachymeter bezel calculates speed directly from elapsed time, making this vintage-inspired chronograph practical for actual timing applications worldwide. The 42mm case size provides substantial presence without oversizing, making this chronograph equally suitable for various wrist sizes. Tissot's attention to finishing quality on this affordable chronograph rivals luxury pieces, costing significantly more for similar execution and capability. The Ballad proves that vintage chronograph character combined with modern automatic movement doesn't require luxury pricing or excessive markup. This watch demonstrates that beautiful dial design and mechanical sophistication remain accessible through Tissot's value-focused manufacturing approach. Number 2. Tissot Jungfrau Automatic. The Tissot Jungfrau Automatic celebrates Swiss watchmaking heritage with mechanical excellence and stunning finishing at prices that make luxury alternatives seem overpriced. This automatic watch features a beautifully decorated movement visible through exhibition caseback, showcasing traditional finishing techniques that reveal genuine craftsmanship investment. The elegant proportions combined with refined dial design create aesthetics appealing to collectors, appreciating traditional Swiss watchmaking sensibilities and values. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating provides excellent visibility, while the careful finishing demonstrates attention to detail throughout every element. The 40mm case size works perfectly for dress watches, fitting comfortably under shirt cuffs while maintaining substantial wrist presence and visibility. The applied indices and traditional hands create classic aesthetics that maintain timeless appeal regardless of changing fashion trends throughout the years. Tissot's Swiss precision ensures this affordable mechanical watch delivers accuracy and reliability, matching luxury pieces costing significantly more money. The Jungfrau proves that mechanical elegance comes from skill and attention to detail rather than luxury brand prestige or excessive pricing premiums. This watch eliminated excuses for luxury mechanical prices by demonstrating that genuine craftsmanship remains accessible through Tissot's value approach. Number 1. Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. The Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar takes the top spot, proving Tissot combines Swiss luxury with cutting-edge technology at prices making competitors seem obsolete. This innovative smartwatch hybrid features touchscreen sapphire crystal operating through intuitive gesture controls, eliminating typical smartwatch button complications entirely. The Swiss solar technology charges from any light source, providing virtually unlimited battery life through sustainable, eco-friendly power generation methods. Bluetooth connectivity links to smartphones for notifications, music control, and activity tracking while maintaining Swiss quality standards throughout construction. The altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer provide outdoor functionality, making this watch perfect for hiking and adventure activities beyond cities. The stainless steel construction, combined with sapphire elements, creates premium aesthetics rivaling luxury pieces costing significantly more money. Tissot's Swiss engineering ensures this connected watch delivers reliability and quality that separates it from cheap technology-focused alternatives. The T-Touch Connect Solar proved that Swiss innovation remains competitive with modern technology through genuine commitment to advancement. This watch demonstrates that smartwatch functionality combined with Swiss quality needn't require luxury pricing when efficient manufacturing delivers results.